Good morning, champions. I am having my technical champion. Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Santosh, coaching earlier academy.
Yes, we are having Santosh as a technical champion. We are having Santosh as a technical champion. So, இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா மெக்கானிசம் பத்தி இல்லையா? அடுத்து இன்வர்ஷன் அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்க போறோம். Inversions are the mechanism obtained by fixing different links. First வந்து link 1 எடுத்து fix பண்ணா அடுத்த link இருக்கு. By fixing different links, we can obtain different mechanisms. Those mechanisms are called as inversion of mechanism. Fixing different links and obtain different mechanisms. It's called inversion of the mechanism. Thank you.